Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, how to extract segments containing comments with views. If you have a project with comments across files and you would like to see all the segments concerned at once, you can create a view. Open your local project and select the relevant documents. This time, I have 3 Word files, an Excel, and a PowerPoint to show that a view can be created from different file types. Once you have selected your documents, click on the button Create View. Give it a name and go to Advanced Options. Go to the Filter Segments by Status section and select the tab Status. In the Other Properties section, select the option Commented Discussed and click on OK. Your view will only contain segments with comments this time. You can also create a view with comments containing certain words. To do so, create a view, give it a name, select Advanced Options, and this time go to section Comments and Tags. In the field Comment Contains, type the word or words that appear in those comments and click on OK. Your views will be available on the View tab, and everything that you will translate there will be populated in the actual document where it comes from. Thanks for watching.